Okay guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to decline a first declension pain word exception. Remember, a pain word is a first declension word that is masculine. In order to decline it, we set up our chart just like we do for any other noun. Our word is up at the top, 2 columns for singular and plural, and our 5 cases, nominative, genitive, dative, accusative, and ablative. We list out our vocabulary. Our word for poet is poeta, poetae. We then drop and stop the first form. Poeta goes into the nominative singular blank. We then find our base. We get our base by going to the second form, the genitive singular, and chopping off the ending. Ah! What's left is called our base, poet. We then take our base and we fill out the rest of our chart. Poet, 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 and then in the plural, poet, 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 and my personal favorite, poet. And then lastly, we have to add our endings. And this is where we have to slow down and think about it for a second. Remember, this word is a first declension word that is masculine. But a noun can never, ever, like ever, change its declension. And since this is a first declension word, we therefore put first declension endings on it. E, arlum, is, us, is. And that's, folks, is how we decline a first declension pain word exception.